Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday and it's 7 degrees out this morning, so it's pretty chilly out. Yesterday, or day before yesterday, we trimmed a bunch of hooves, which is really nice to get out of the way. I'll insert a few clips of that. The girls did great. They're a little bit long. I like to trim down the sides. You just do a little at a time. Almost done. But you just kind of want them as even as you can get them. They were a little bit afraid of the milking stand. And we also got golden hour up on the stand, which was really nice. I was a little bit afraid we weren't going to be able to do that because she is a little bit wild. But her hooves needed the trim so bad. They were so long. And then we also got to check everybody's Famacha score. Everybody seemed really good. So that made me feel pretty good. I do have like little short videos of that too. I'll link down below if you guys want to watch that on like a bigger screen, so they're not so tiny. Yeah, so I'm down here. I'm gonna open everybody up. I figured while I opened everybody up, I would just kind of go over how we started our goat farm, which started a lot sooner than I thought that it would. My fiance and I, Greg, were living in a trailer park, and we were very far away from my family. I was lonely. I wanted to move back down here. Oh, look, there's a little bunny. I don't know if you can see him over there. My grandfather had this place, a little house with this little shed off the back that he was renting out. And we asked if we could rent it out. He said yes. So we moved in March of 23. And basically the day that we moved in, we saw this little shed, which it was, it's not in the best shape. We fixed it up a little bit. It held a disc mower, but I saw huge potential in it for a goat barn, of course. My grandfather and my dad said that we could put goats in it. So we put a little fence in here. This right here, my dad actually made this. He's pretty handy. We started looking for goats instantly. I knew that I wanted Nubians. I had no idea that there was anything like registered stock. I thought that goats were just goats and Nubians had long ears and I liked long ears. Greg did some research. He found out that Nubians could be registered. Well, all dairy goats could be registered. Meat goats can too. And so from there, we got into looking at registered Nubians. We found a place, the closest place to us, about 2.5 hours from us. So we put a deposit down on Cinnamon and Sugar, which you guys probably know if you've watched our last videos. Cinnamon, Sugar's hiding behind the hay feeder, so you can't see her. We thought they were registered. They are not registered. I've been fighting very hard to at least get them registered as 50% because their sire or dad is a registered goat. That's why we sent in the DNA test. After we got them, the herd grew quite quickly. So we got them, and then we knew we needed a buck. That's when we got Toast. We got him from New Hampshire, I believe, but I met in Maine. Hi, boys. So it was about a 2.5 hour drive for us again. Hi, and he was so tiny when we got him. He was so perfect. He was very skittish because he was dam raised. So he wasn't bottle fed. He was raised on his mom. Hi, buddy. Mr. Toast. Our first goats, Cinnamon and Sugar, were $600 a piece, which is quite expensive for them not being registered. I will say that hopefully they'll be worth it. They are clean tested goats. We make sure everybody is clean tested for CAE, CL, Jones. Very, very important when you're getting your herd started. And Toast was $300. His mom was a first freshener, so that was her first year having kids. The person that I got him from usually doesn't sell goats out of first fresheners. She's not sure what type of kids they're gonna produce, but his mom was winning first place awards, first place udder in shows, so she felt pretty comfortable selling him to us at a reduced rate. Our other girls are anywhere between $300 and $700 each. Jasper, our other buck, was $700. So yeah, I mean, that was kind of how we got started. It was quickly, but it was also thought out. We're very careful with who we choose to put on our farm now. We make sure everybody comes from a clean tested herd. That's so important. And it's literally a dream of mine, a dream come true. So we're very, very happy that we started this journey. And hopefully we continue to be able to live as goat farmers. All of our does this year are going to Minnesota, which is really, really cool. And I do have somebody from Maryland that's interested in doe kids next year. So we'll see. But yeah.